What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is day 2 of 3 of exploring Yellowstone, where I post a video 3 days in a row. Be sure to check out day 1 and day 3 if you haven't yet. Today's video, I'm going to be exploring the Norris Geyser Basin, which is one of the most acidic basins in Yellowstone, and it's part of the world's largest dynamic volcano system. Also has one of my favorite geysers, which is the Porcelain Geyser, which looks awesome. Definitely stick around to see that. And pretty much I'm just going to be giving you guys a showcase of the Norris Geyser Basin in this video. So not a whole lot of talking, but I hope you enjoyed anyways. But before I go, be sure to leave a like and a subscribe to the channel. We're getting really close to 300. Thanks, hope you enjoy the video. If you guys look, you can see little geysers all over the place. Yep, so this is the Porcelain Springs in the Norris Geyser Basin. Looks really cool. Love to see one of these things in real life. It's actually the kind of place that's like somewhat away from the crowd. There's still a lot of people. Fearless Geyser. We got another geyser right over here. Nope, we got a spring. Guys, it's like dried up right now. You see all like the deposits of like all the mineral deposits and stuff surrounding it. It's real cool. Alright, see those like rock formations right there? That's Pork Chop Geyser. In 1985, Pork Chop Geyser erupted and did not stop exploding until several years later. That is crazy. Yellow Funnel Spring. Love the colors of these pools and springs. That looks so inviting, doesn't it? It really does. Yeah, it really does. It's gonna like cannonball into it.
Well, it's not popping up. Tell me why it says explode.
I think we'll keep some more.
Well guys, this is the last pull for us for spring. This nice, really cool blue looking one. I don't really see a name for it anywhere, but that's the North Basin. We just finished pretty much everyone in the North Basin. But we got a little bit left to do. No, we don't. All right, guys, we just stopped at the North Campground for some lunch. I have some leftover hamburger helper. Pretty good. Pretty nice, neat little campground here, just kind of in the forest. A lot of parking here, which is nice. Not very full either. But yeah, so that's it for day 2. North Canyon Basin. That was really fun to see. No geysers were actually like erupting, unfortunately, but just be sure to like the video and subscribe, because tomorrow I am going to be releasing my part 3 of the video. We're going to be checking out Old Faithful